Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to check your followers on Tumblr using the Tumblr app or the Tumblr website. So let's start with the Tumblr app. If you're using the Tumblr app, follow the simple steps to be able to check your followers. The first step is to open the Tumblr app and tap on the hat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your likes page. Now at the top of the page, you should see a tab for followers. Tap on it. Next, you will see a list of all the blogs that follow you. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're using the Tumblr website, here are the steps to take. Step 1. Log into your Tumblr account on the website. Step 2. Click on the downward arrow next to your blog name in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Analytics from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on the Followers tab. And then you will see a list of your followers along with some basic statistics about your follower growth. That's all it takes to check your followers on your Tumblr phone or website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.